Hello and welcome back to my humble abode. This week we will be discussing AI and talking about what is artificial intelligence. So although artificial intelligence is vast and varied in meaning, and can be, interpreted many different ways, it basically is something that is produced or made by a human, that is able to acquire and apply specific knowledge and skills. So that's a very broad meaning, but basically it's just the science of making machines smarter. And so what AI does is it takes algorithms, and it puts them into machines or computers and helps them, those machines or computers, solve specific problems. And some examples of this are like fraud protection, search engines when you're searching things on Google, depending on what you're typing in. The AI is analyzing this vast amount of data to give you what you're hoping to find. Or maybe shopping recommendations, digital assistants, those are all examples of artificial intelligence. And what AI also does is it analyzes vast amounts of data, to learn or complete a particular task. And that's what we call machine learning. And so AI is able to perform these large time oriented tasks, which is really great, and makes our lives easier. However, they are not able to do it by themselves. There does need to be humans who are programming them and creating these algorithms for them, in order to have the machines do what we're asking them to do. So the possibilities are endless, but at the same time, we have to come up with them as the humans in order to, produce these machines and use AI. So that's a very broad look at, artificial intelligence. Although it is everywhere, um, these are becoming, even though they need humans to, you know, make them and produce them, AI is becoming more intelligent and smarter, and eventually will be able to make our lives much, much easier. And some people see this as a bad thing. People might be losing jobs in the future to AI, but on the plus side, there are always people who are going to be needing to create these machines and artificial intelligence to do whatever we're having them do. So it's a big thing nowadays, and everyone needs to, learn about it and get into, learning how to create it so they can still have jobs in the future. But yeah, that's a very broad look at artificial intelligence, and every one of us has interacted with it in some way in today's day, and it's only growing. So thanks. My references were Understanding Technology, second edition by Arendt, and thanks for joining me today.